What is it, people? Welcome to another episode of Campfire Cooking. Today I'm going to be doing some beef curry, some Chinese beef curry to be precise. Got the curry paste, some spring onion, the brown onions, some chilli, got garlic, peas and some beef dripping here. Also got some chips and some rice. So I'll be doing egg fried rice and also salt and pepper chips. Chinese curry paste here. I'll put a link to a recipe in the description how to make it yourself. And we've got the salt and pepper seasoning here. Got some nice fillet steak here for the beef. So it should be lovely. So we'll just start by chopping up the onions. So I'll just chop these quite big. So 2 of these small onions are for the curry and 1 is for the salt and pepper chips. So if you've got large onions, go for 1 or 2. Depends how much you like. There we go. So next we'll chop the spring onion. So I'm going to finely slice this. So I'm basically prepping everything first before I slice the beef, because obviously the raw meat, you want to do that last. So I'm going to slice up the garlic. So I'm just going to dice up some of the onion for the salt and pepper chips. Relatively fine. So first I chop them down, then across, and down the opposite way. Down to the chili. There is some chili in the salt and pepper seasoning, but we're going to add a little bit more to both that and the curry, because Bushman likes it spicy.
Or is it from past chilies?
That's right, from his past chilies. Leave a comment if you want Bushman to do a campfire cooking with me, showing and showcasing his world famous campfire chili. Leave a comment.
We can insult that there.
So I have some flowers here from the gorse bush. I picked them up on the journey down to camp. Down here I can see we've got some wood sorrel. It's quite a tangy appley flavour. So we're going to take some of these as well. Right, so we're going to cut the steak. There we go. So, a fair chunk is that. So it's all chopped up now. Right, so I shall mix the curry paste with some water. So it gives a very good mix.
Let me get that for you, sir.
Cheers, man.
And while Bushman's stirring this,
so we'll add the onions to the pan. And some of the chilli. So now we'll just add the curry sauce to the mix. And whilst that's cooking, we'll cook off the steak. So add peas to the sauce, to the curry sauce. Fillet steak. The fillet steak to the Chinese curry sauce. We'll let that cook down a little longer. And then we'll make the rice and the chips. What am I doing? I'm frying the egg and the cooked rice together, and I'm also frying the chips off. So now I'm going to add the salt and pepper seasoning to the dish. So pop the garlic in, not for too long because we don't want to burn it. So first we'll get some of the fried rice. Egg fried rice, should I say? We've got some of the wood sorrel to decorate with. The beef curry, some spring onion. Make sure we get plenty of sauce. And then some cauliflower. There we go. Beautiful.
Nice. Nice.
Yep. Now it's your turn.
If you enjoyed this, then like and subscribe for more campfire cooking. And get out and try yourself. It's easier than you think.